Okay, I am back. So I have my epoxy ready. I am going to go ahead and move it out of the way so I am not spilling it. And I am going to put his little toes in. And I'm using UV resin this time for this part. Because I just want to hold them down in place so that they're not floating. Once I get them in place, I'll flip the frog over and cure the bottom of the feet better. Okay. I'm just trying different techniques with the frog to see what might work better. Whoops. Might help to add the resin before I put the little ball down in there. Okay, I'm just gently flipping him over. And when I'm waiting for that to cure, I am going to go ahead and get my epoxy ready. I have this cherry red. I'm going to try it because I don't have much of it left. There, I used the rest of it. And it's still pretty transparent. I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can barely tell that it's red. So I am going to try this alcohol ink with the red. I'm going to add some of it in. A nice big squirt. Okay, I think I'm done with that. So I'm going to carefully pick him up, pull him back over where he needs to be. Let me see. And that's the red you're getting. I'm still not quite happy with that. So I am going to add some black Violet's resin. Hopefully I get like a dark cherry color. I'm going to mix it up really good. Okay, it's still giving it a red. I'm going to try this red also. So I've put 3 different colors of red in there. I think I'm a lot happier with this. Okay, so I think we're good. I'm just going to go ahead and dump right down into the frog. I've been using my degasser on this frog to take the bubbles out, so that should help. Oops. Here I am making a mess. Clean my stick off, and then I will just wait for this to set up and come back to you guys for the next step. I am going to use alcohol instead of, oops, I'm going to get this up and into his leg a little. Okay. Oops, something down in that. Okay, so there you have it. I'll be back for the next step, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I am back. So I have 50 grams of A, 45 grams of B in the cup, and I've already mixed it. I'm going to add some red mica powder. See how we get with just the 3 scoops. And it's got like a pinkish tint to it, so I am just going to go ahead and, once again, the red gets me every time. Okay. wipe my station down some so it's not staining it. Okay. I am going to go ahead and take some of this red alcohol ink and just squirt a bit of it in there. It's that one there. And then I am going to take the Let's Resin Black. And let's see what we get out of this. I think it was a very good choice. But there you have that. So I am just going to go ahead and dump it right in the frog. And I will come back in for the next step on this. And there you have it. I'm just trying to get it up and in the legs of the frog a little bit. And there is still a little bubble down in here. So I'm just going to work on his okay, I believe I got it. So I will be back in just a while to do the rest of the frog. And I'm going to do it in a different color. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back for the last step. I have Interference Gold by Let's Resin. I'm going to use that. See how well this works for us. And then I am going to use this white pigment alcohol ink. And I'm going to put a couple more scoops of this in. And that's what you have out of it. And here we go. We're just gonna drop it on in. I love how it looks. It's got the pearly look to it. A little hint of gold, but not much. That's the nice thing about it. And I had just enough. So that is perfect. Get it up over his little toes. And wiping my stick down. I don't want to put too much alcohol in there because I don't want it seeping out the sides of the frog. But there you have it. We'll let that set up. I'll be back to demold it, and we'll catch you in a bit.